Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious and juicy chebureki at home without meat. For the dough for 6 chebureki you will need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 glass of water and 3 glasses of flour. In the video I make 18. We have full bowl of flour and we add sugar. Then we add salt. And then we also add the eggs. Now we fill the bowl with water. And then we start mixing it with our hands. Once it has some sort of form, we add the oil. And then we mix the dough very well. If we need, we add more water. By the end it should look like this, then we cover it. For filling for 6 chebureki you will need 1 can of beans, 3 slices of cheese, 3 big onions, 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 10 grams of ground pepper, 2 grams of chili pepper. You can also add green onions or dill. First we slice the onions and then we need to prepare them. Now we cut them into pieces. Now we can keep cutting them into small pieces, but if you are lazy like me, you can use a blender. We open our can of beans and remove the liquid. Spill the beans into the bowl. Add the salt. Also add chili pepper. Then you should add ground pepper. Now you should add ground vegetables. And mix it all very well. You can also add cheese into the mixture. Now on the table we add some flour. And now we split the dough into several portions. Now we roll the dough into circles, but I suggest not to make it too thin. Now you can put the filling into the dough. I put about 2 spoons here, but you can put your preferred amount. Now we put the filling more on one side and then we cover it. Now I suggest to take a fork and seal the chebureki so that the filling doesn't go out while cooking. It should be very well sealed. Now take a pan and add a lot of cooking oil. It should take about half a liter of oil. Leave it on a high heat for a couple of minutes. You should reduce the heat, and now that the oil is hot, we can carefully place the chebureki into the pan. Make sure not to burn yourself. We should cook on each side for a couple of minutes and make sure to flip at least 2 times for each side. Now that it has been cooked, we should prepare some dry towels and place the chebureki on them to dry. If you followed my recipe, the chebureki you made will be juicy. You have to trust me on this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and check out my tech tasting blog with the link in the description.